Doubles, first hit. All 5 points that we don't have. Double or nothing. Not a problem, buddy. I believe that's 10 points for superheroes.
An unbelievable day out here at the Backcountry Booters Showdown, and I gotta say, despite the fact that Orage Masters is in many ways about having fun, we saw some displays of unbelievable talent out here. Double fronts, double backs, supermans, cork 10s, all kinds of activities, switch backflips into POW, and everybody laid it down in a big way. And once the scores were written down, it went to the Pirates once again, who in this competition so far, at the end of day 2, have been quite dominant. We'll see what happens tonight. Anything at this point can change.
This is officially over. Did you see that?